Hey, good morning guys, thanks for watching. Got the van back together last night, so I know it's a little later than expected, but it's been a crazy weekend. A lot of stuff going on. So alright, we got it back together. As you can see, the rear end sits up a lot better now. I measured up to the fender now, and I got 36.5 inches, so we gained 2 inches of clearance with the new springs, and then I still have 35 3/4 in the front, so I'm 3/4 of an inch difference between the front and the back, so I'm happy with that. So we'll take it out for a ride and see how it goes. Alright guys, so we just got out here on the main road. Van's riding good, doing about 55 right now. You can definitely feel that it doesn't have as much sway in the rear with these 4-1 leaf springs, so it's definitely helped out. It's not too windy today, so it's hard to tell, but it don't seem like I'm correcting it as much on the steering, so far so good. I'll keep driving it, let you guys know, over time as the springs settle and stuff like that, how it rides. But so far, can't complain. It rides really nice. So if you got an E150 van, or even just a van, you got some sag in the back, check out SD's truck springs. They always have pretty good prices. The shipping was pretty quick. I got them I ordered them on a Thursday night really late, and I had them by last Wednesday. I think I got them in, so it took 4 or 5 days to get them. I think they're out of New Jersey. I'm down in Florida, so it's not too bad. But yeah, so we're heading off to work. It's Tuesday. Hopefully get some good work in there today. Techs get motivated to get some stuff done, and be a crazy day because I gotta go pick up my kids at 3, drop one of them off at a sitter, drop the other one off at dance. So for all you guys that are watching that have kids, I feel for you. I know it's tough to try to do car things and kids and wife and house and all that stuff and work. So I definitely appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my channel. So we'll head off to work and show you guys how nice it is in Florida today. So we're just about to pull into work. Appreciate everybody watching. I'll do some more videos on the van. Hopefully get some work done on the Cutlass. Some of you guys have given me some good ideas as far as changing out the transmission, stuff like that, to try to get some more gas mileage out of it, make it more of a daily driver than just a Sunday driver. So I'll try to start working on that here upcoming. My mother-in-law, she's been in and out of the hospital, so that's why I said we got a lot of stuff going on, so puts a lot of extra stress on my wife and stuff. So we're working through it though, and I might even get a video on my buddy's Impala right there, the guy I work with. So yeah, I appreciate everybody watching. Hope everybody has a great day. Subscribe to the channel. I'll put a link up in the top right there to subscribe. Put some more videos up in this corner. Hit the thumbs up button, and I really appreciate everybody watching, everybody's support, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. See you on the next video.